Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Vail, local, and long-distance movers near me. Being able to get things done with ease is a luxury everyone wants to enjoy. When you are relocating to a new home or moving or expanding your business to a new location, you have to make proper plans to prevent going through a difficult process. If you have been having sleepless nights about how you'll successfully relocate to your new place, or you have started sorting your belongings and your whole space is disorganized, put an end to your worries. 3 Movers is a moving company that understands your concern and helps you manage the entire process. We are the cheapest and most efficient local and long-distance firm in Vail, Arizona. Our excellence is a result of our quality of work and method of operation. Our movers are highly trained. They are cautious, friendly, and respectful. Throughout the move, you'll find it easy to work with them. We help you plan your move using factors such as distance, budget, timeline, and other requirements. We also provide a cost estimate at the beginning of the move so that you know what to expect before we commence the process. We offer flexible moving packages so it's easy for you to get your specific moving needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vail moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.